anniversary. So, enjoy na lang natin.
Ako na magkarga, hindi ko magsayaw eh.
Kung iisip-isipin ko lang, simula nung first wedding natin, naaalala ko na parang nangyari lang din siya ngayon, naulit lang din. And I'm so happy and I'm so excited. Hindi ko po ma-express yung feelings ko. Words are not enough to express, pero alam ng Lord kung ano yung nasa damdamin ko. And masabi ko lang na, I love you very much. And that love is for a lifetime. As long as I am alive, I promise to stay with you and to love you for better and for worse.
Ito na yung pinapangarap ko na makasal kami sa simbahan. Yung promise ko sa kanya. Kasi dati nasa huwis kami kinasal. So, Ara, ito na yung time natin at pinakamasaya kong nangyari sa buhay ko.
God is the center of everything. We have our kids and we love our kids. Kung gaano mo sila kamahal, ganun ko rin sila kamahal. Ganun ko kayo kamahal lahat. So thank you for coming into my life.
You're so fabulous, makeup mommy, and the best mommy, and so gorgeous, and stunning. You're my best friend and the best mom forever.
I never knew it could.
Dear brothers and sisters in Christ, of course, we're here today to witness the renewal of vows of Ara and Sean, mga sama sa ginambal ko kaina, after 10 years of receiving the sacrament of matrimony.
I feel a peace in me arise. I never knew love could be so healing.
I, Ara Romelia, will pledge anew to my vow, and I submit myself to you, Sean. I pledge anew that I will stay with you all the time, for better and for worse, for richer and poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and honor you in all the days of my life. And I want you to know that every day of my life
You are the only one who is the best. Thank you also for the beautiful past horrors that made our love so stronger. I love you forever.
Ngayon natakda na talaga kinasal tayo sa simbahan. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo, sa huling patak ng luha ko at hininga ko, pangalan mo pa rin ang hanapin.
There are no words to describe this feeling.
To my beloved husband, bear in mind, you are always the best. And no matter what happened, my love for you will never fade. And let us always put God at the center of our relationship. Let us always show respect, love, and faith to each other. I love you now and forever.
And oh, I know that I've fallen so fast for you.